Hi friends, I'm going to show you the easiest way I know to deseed a pomegranate. Gently roll pomegranate on the counter and kind of press in the indents. This will help loosen the seeds. Grab a cutting board. And you're just going to cut maybe a 1/2 inch deep. You don't want to go all the way through because then you will cut the seeds in half. So just a 1/2 inch deep, just through the skin and just a little ways in. And then you're going to pry the halves apart. And then grab a bowl. And what you want to do is you want to kind of squeeze the pomegranate halves like this. This will help release them a little bit. And I'm pressing where there's an indent. Just like that. You can also open them up this way. So stretch the pomegranate out. Place the pomegranate in your hand over the bowl, and using like a wooden spoon or a spatula, you're basically gonna hit or whack pretty fast and easy.